The today's session is specifically to take the feedback for the Gurukul program. So thank you for coming up, Chandni, and let us know about your story and then how you landed into the Gurukul and how Gurukul helped you.
Yeah. So this is Chandni. Coming to my story, I previously did an internship at Deloitte as an ABAP developer, where I'm very much interested in SAP. But due to the recession and my career gap, I was struggling to get a job. So then I started taking a training. And after my training, I came about the Sastrageek internship. That's when I joined this internship, and through that, I got the opportunity to the Gurukul program. I still remember the day I heard about the Gurukul. I I didn't worried about the 1 year, but the day itself I decided, okay, this is what I want. I can see my future uh, by dedicating that 1 year in the Gurukul program. So from there to now, I'm happy uh, to say my future is taking shape the way I hope, the way I hoped. So I have even been converted to the full time at Sastrageek. Uh, Gurukul program has played a huge role in that. Few activities which I wanted to uh, mention that helped me in this journey. Uh, I mean, in the Gurukul program are especially the mentorship. I'm very much grateful for the mentors which helped me uh, and guide us to stay updated. And the sessions and meetings, workshops, they provide, they improved my communication, and they taught us so much. After every session, I am truly surprised how the topics are picked, how thoughtfully the topics are picked. Every session feels to help us grow, and uh, to help us grow in personally and technically too. Uh, the major part in this program is internships, where they provide us the real project exposure and the confidence and business understanding. The way Parminder sir pushes us to bring out our best is something which is truly appreciable. So, to all the SAP aspirants, I really recommend the Gurukul program. Even you are experienced, the knowledge, guidance, and exposure you gain here is unbelievable. Please experience in yourself. From my side, sir, thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you very much, Chandni. Thank you for coming up front and speaking here. I can see a lot of difference in your communication skills. Before you join Gurukul, we are associated for quite some long time, right? But I can see that your communication skills has improved, and I came to know from the other people you are developing the different type of ABAP programs, and I keep on getting feedback from the other consultant the way you are developing the programs. That also we are getting very positive feedback, so we are very happy to have it here. So thank you for being part of Gurukul and then part of Sastrageek.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chandni.